Hello students, welcome to all in another video of English classes. I'm Ajay from Ramkrishna Vivekanand Vidya Mandir. Students, today I have brought a very interesting story, and the story is taken from your course book of class 7th. Okay students, so let's begin. Our chapter number is 11 and the name of the chapter is Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Students, Mr. Sherlock Holmes is a detective novel, but in your book the piece of the novel is only given, and this novel is written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Students, Mr. Sherlock Holmes is a detective means a spy, that is called jasus. So Mr. Sherlock Holmes was a detective, and especially Arthur Conan Doyle created this character to write a very interesting story, and the story is based on a novel, and the name of the novel is The Hound of Baskervilles. Students, this story is taken from a novel, and the name of the novel is The Hound of Baskervilles. Okay students, hound means shikari kutta, that is called dog. Okay, so Mr. Sherlock Holmes is written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Okay students, first of all we will focus on the writer. Who was Arthur Conan Doyle? Arthur Conan Doyle was a Scottish writer. Especially, he wrote about many fantastic stories that is based on fantasy, and he also wrote plays, novels. He was born in 1859 and he died in 1930. Students, Arthur Conan Doyle created Mr. Sherlock Holmes character in his life. First of all, when he was creating this character, he thought about the Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Mr. Sherlock Holmes would be a very great detective. So Mr. Sherlock Holmes is very famous book in this world in English literature. Okay, so we are going to study the story of Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Students, Mr. Sherlock Holmes is a name of a detective. And he was a very keen, sharp-minded man. He was very intelligent detective. Whenever he got any crime, he got any problems, then he easily solved that problem. So the name of the Mr. Sherlock Holmes became very famous in London. This story is set in London. Okay students, there was a friend of Mr. Sherlock Holmes, and the name of the friend is Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson helped to investigate about many crimes, and he also helped to Mr. Sherlock Holmes in his case. Okay, there was another character. The name of the character is James Mortimer. In this story, we will know about James Mortimer. Who was James Mortimer? James Mortimer was a practitioner, and that is called physician. Okay, the story is going on, students. The story begins. Already it is clear that there are mainly three characters in this story, students. One day, Mr. Sherlock Holmes was sitting on the sofa of his room, and after some time Dr. Watson came to meet Mr. Sherlock Holmes. But suddenly Dr. Watson found there was a stick in his room. In his room means there was a stick in the room of Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Dr. Watson got that stick, and after that he started to examine about that stick, because Mr. Sherlock Holmes wanted to know about that stick. Mr. Sherlock Holmes wanted to know about that stick. So that stick was actually left by a person, and the name of the person is James Mortimer. And before that day, the stick was left by James Mortimer in the room of Mr. Sherlock Holmes. But Mr. Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson didn't know who this stick was. So Dr. Watson started to examine about that stick. That stick was very fine. There was a bulbous headed that was made of silver, and especially on that time, that stick was showing about many country practitioners, and that stick belonged to a country practitioner. So Mr. Sherlock Holmes wanted to know who this stick was. Dr. Watson said to Mr. Sherlock Holmes कि the stick was very fine, and especially this stick belonged to a country practitioner, and the country practitioner was an absent-minded person. He was an ambitious person, and he was very simple person. But Dr. Watson said to Mr. Sherlock Holmes, but Mr. Sherlock Holmes didn't accept his proposals about that stick. Okay, so Mr. Sherlock Holmes wanted to know about this stick. Dr. Watson started to examine. He went to a hospital. He went to hospital to examine about that stick. That hospital is CCH. CCH means Charing Cross Hospital. When Dr. Watson went into that hospital, he found there were many Mortimers in London city. After that, he returned to Mr. Sherlock Holmes and said, there were many Mortimers in London city, but only one person, I guess, only one person who had got that stick, that is James Mortimer. James Mortimer was a very simple man, and especially his nose was very long. He was very thin person. Next day, there came a person that was same person, James Mortimer. Suddenly, James Mortimer came next day and met Mr. Sherlock Holmes. After that, Mr. Sherlock Holmes found that there was the same person that said by the Dr. Watson. So Mr. Sherlock Holmes wanted to know who this stick was and why was written 1884 on the stick. Students, there was a date written on the stick, that is 1884. So Mr. Sherlock Holmes wanted to know why has this written on the stick. So Dr. Watson found James Mortimer had left that hospital. Dr. James Mortimer had left the hospital in 1884. So the date was mentioned on the stick. When James Mortimer came to meet Mr. Sherlock Holmes, he found that the stick belonged to James Mortimer. And when James Mortimer saw that stick, he became very happy. He found his stick, and after that he said, that's very good. At last, student, Mr. Sherlock Holmes said about his friend Dr. Watson, and after that James Mortimer, Dr. Watson and Mr. Sherlock Holmes became friends, and they started to investigate about Baskervilles story. Already, students, in your book, the story is not given totally, because after that Mr. Sherlock Holmes, James Mortimer and Dr. Watson started to investigate about a crime, that is about Baskervilles. So students, in your book only there is given a simple piece of the Hound of Baskervilles, but in this story the writer has shown about the sharp-minded of Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Mr. Sherlock Holmes was a very good detective. He was very intelligent, and there is a friend, that is Dr. Watson, and one day he found a stick, and that stick is very fine, but that stick belonged to James Mortimer. Okay students, so we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye everyone.